India's first LCA Tejas joins IAF. The light combat aircraft has got its initial operation clearance today. The LCA, which has remained under development for nearly 3 decades and braved technology denial regimes, has finally got its clearance in the presence of the Defence Minister A K Antony and Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal Naik. Now, this is India's first LCA. Now, as mentioned, the light combat aircraft has finally got its clearance. It has been under development for 3 decades and has braved a lot of technological denial regimes. But the Defence Minister A K Antony and the Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal Naik have finally given it its clearance today. Maruf Raza now joins us on the phone line with more information on this.
As far as Tejas is concerned, it's been in the offing with HAL for several years, and there have been several hiccups, primarily because of American sanctions on technology and equipment. But equally importantly, the problem area has been that the Air Force has been shifting its benchmark because of time delays about what really should be the equipment on board. And now the dependence on the IAF, particularly on Russian technology, and the deal being signed with the Russians to give India a 5th-generation fighter, the possibility of Tejas being really the backbone of the IAF's fighting elements is limited. What it will serve as the purpose, I think originally as somebody had identified, as the 2nd or 3rd most important variant of the IAF's long-term plans. And I think that is the purpose it will serve. But the big question will be, what numbers can be produced to satisfy the Air Force's requirement, because the volume required is quite extensive.
Maruf Raza, thank you so much for giving us that update on the Tejas fighter jet, which now India is part of the elite select club of countries making that fighter jet from scratch. It's finally getting a clearance by the Defence Minister today after 3 decades